So anyway, this is the name of this vacuum. And it's a little bit different than some of the other ones because it comes with this like filter, which I've tried to clean off. And it has these 3 pieces. So I'm going to show you guys how they all go together. All right, so anyway, here's your bottom piece, right? So you're going to see that on one side it's got these little thingamabobs, and then on this side it's flat. So this is where this is going to go. So you got to kind of set it inside there like that. And then you're going to grab your green one like this, and you want these things facing out, these little, what do you call it there? And then you're going to slide it, in. You're going to see there's these little spots right here where it pops in. And now it's ready to go, right? But when you put it in, you want this side facing up. So here is your body, right? And you're going to notice that it's got these little green things on either side. So those have to be open. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to slide this in like this. And just set it in there. And that's how that goes. And now it's ready to go. And then you just got to take and put your top on. And I'll show you that, how it works. Okay, so here you are. You got your green on the bottom. You got your dark on the top. You got your little thing sticking out. And then these little latches kind of slide right in there like that. And it just falls in. You see? Now, if you look on here, you're going to see there's a little spot here and there. And that's how this kind of articulates with it. So let's go ahead. We'll put this on top, right? And we're just going to set it right down like that. Okay? So now you look, you can just go bam and bam. And Bob's your uncle. That thing you heard fall is this thing here. That's the thing that you pull it out of the water with. And it kind of gets in the way. So let's slide it over. Now, to charge it, we got to open up this. And there's your charging port. And here's my little thing. You can see how it goes. And you just got to get this lined up. You know, the round part with the round part on here. And then you just push it in. Just like that. And then you can grab this and just go ahead and put it in your socket. Okay, that's in. Now this should light up green here, or no, red. So that's telling me that this thing is, needs to be charged. So we're just gonna let it charge. I'll slide it over a little bit. Give us a little room. And yeah, this has got about, I don't know, 8 feet of a line. So you've got some flexibility on where you can put it when you're charging it. But I just keep it out here in the shed. In the garage. And yeah, we'll just let that baby charge up, and then we'll try it in the pool tomorrow. People ask me, how long do you leave this on to charge? I just left it on all night, and you can see we got solid green, so we can pop this off, shut that down, right? And I always just pull it out of here because I don't want it, draining the machine. And then this baby's ready to go back in the pool. And you know what? It cleaned the pool really good yesterday, but I got more leaves in there. So let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and take her out and put her in the pool.